4:30, a mother in mourning right now after her son died following a shooting at a gun range.
And today, Local 10 caught up with that heartbroken mother who claims police got the case all wrong.
Local 10's Carlos Suarez is in Tamarack with her story.
It has been a difficult 24 hours for this family. They are having a difficult time believing that their son would kill himself. Joanna Colonna spent the day making funeral arrangements for him. She showed us the backyard of her house here in Tamarack, where she spent time with her son over the years. Now, she was adamant that her only child shot himself by mistake and that to suggest otherwise has only added to their grief. 14-year-old Vincent Colonna was at a gun range with his father. Now, according to the family, he's been shooting since he was 10 years old and he is well versed on how to handle a gun safely. His mother said that he showed no signs of any emotional distress.
I know there was nothing wrong. I know that. Vincent was happy. We were going to the hotel. We were going to go to the museum, everything. Vincent was a happy kid. No, he did not do this. Vincent did not commit suicide.
All right, now the shooting happened at the Gun World of South Florida that's located along the 1700 block of South Powerline Road in Deerfield Beach. The company allows minors to shoot so long as they're accompanied by a parent at all times. And again, he was there with his dad. The sheriff's office said that surveillance video at the gun range, as well as what people saw at the time, showed that Vincent killed himself. The teen's mother says that she does want to see that piece of surveillance video, and it's something that the sheriff's office said in due time she will be able to request. We'll have much more with the family coming up at 5:30. But for now, we're live in Tamarack. I'm Carlos Suarez, Local 10 News.